Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account tied to your Gmail. This ensures you're deleting the right items. Once signed in, open Google Photos from the app's grid or go to Photos. Google. Calm and wait for thumbnails to load. Make sure you switch to a comfortable view, grid or list, and sort by date to find what you want quickly. Now that thumbnails are visible and organized, tap or click the first photo you intend to delete to begin selection. Once you've selected the first image, use Shift-click on desktop or long press on mobile to select ranges of photos. This saves time and prevents accidental single deletions. After selecting, click or tap the trash icon. Photos will move those items to the bin, which is a temporary holding area. Make sure you review selections before confirming because items in the bin remain recoverable only for 60 days, after which Google permanently deletes them. If you're sure, confirm the deletion to continue. To remove images immediately, open the bin and choose Empty Bin or select specific items and permanently delete. This is irreversible, so double-check. If deleted photos reappear or duplicates persist, make sure Drive and Gmail backups or sync devices aren't restoring them automatically, and remove duplicates from those locations. If you can't find photos to delete, verify you're in the correct Google account and that sync is enabled or disabled as intended.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.